अपने चालू कर दे दीप, बाद में सबको एडमिट कर देना.
हाँ सर.
Today's topic is LSD, that is
क्यों
Latin
खबर हमारे का भी क्यों बच्चों हमारे
square design. Latin square design. ठीक है. So this design we have seen that RBD is used when there is unidirectional variation. Means variation is only in one direction. While LSD design is used when there is bidirectional variation. Means variation is moving in two direction, or experimental units can be categorized according to the two characteristics. ठीक है. For example, experiments on animals. Animals, there are experiments on animal. Suppose animals are showing variation in two characteristics. One is body weight and second is age. ठीक है. So there are variation. There is a variation in two characteristics. One variation is due to the body, according to the body weight, and one is due to the age. That means we have to reduce these two variations. Okay. So suppose one variation is in this direction and one variation is in this direction. This is age and this is the body weight. Okay. So now we have seen that in RBD design, we have seen that we are preparing the replication. Suppose fertility gradient is in this direction. Fertility gradient ये direction में move होता है, एक ही direction. तो हम क्या करते हैं? We are preparing replications perpendicular to the fertility gradient. ठीक है? We are preparing replications perpendicular to the fertility gradient. And in ANOVA, we are using source replication, treatment, and error. One variation is due to these replications, other due to the treatments we are applying in the replication. Within replication, we are applying treatment. One source is that, and third one is error, which is uncontrolled variation. Okay. In CRD design, we are not forming replication. We are just dividing plots into the total number of observation, and we are applying treatment. So sources are only treatment and error. This is the control source. This is uncontrolled source. Here two sources. One is replication is added here because we are forming replications. Okay, replication, treatment, and error. And here fertility gradient is moving only in one direction. There is a variation in only one direction. Okay. Now, in case of LSD, there is a variation is in two directions. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So, for this direction, we are preparing columns to eliminate the variation. Okay. For this variation, we are dividing plot into the rows. Okay. For this variation, this is the blocking, and for this variation, this is the blocking. So we have to divide area into rows and columns. For using LSD design, there is a condition that number of treatments is equal to number of replication is equal to 1. number of treatments, replications, rows, and columns all should be equal. ठीक है, number of treatment, number of replication, number of rows, number of columns all should be equal. This design is generally used in animal sciences. Experiment on animals. ठीक है, generally mostly used in experiments on animals, animal sciences, or in field experiment where fertility gradient is moving in two direction, horizontal as well as vertical, or for direction of fertility gradient is unknown. हमें पता नहीं है कि डायरेक्शन फर्टिलिटी ग्रेडियंट की डायरेक्शन कौन सी है. इन दैट केस वी आर यूजिंग एलएसडी डिजाइन. ठीक है, एलएसडी डिजाइन कब यूज होती है? मोस्टली इट इज यूज्ड इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन एनिमल साइंसेस एंड इन फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट. फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट में कब यूज करते हैं? जब फर्टिलिटी ग्रेडियंट दो डायरेक्शन में हो या फिर ग्रेडियंट की डायरेक्शन हमें पता नहीं है, अननोन फर्टिलिटी gradient. In this situation, LSD design is used. Okay, and condition for this LSD design is number of treatments and number of replications, whatever the rows, columns you are preparing are all should be equal. ठीक है, is there any doubt? कोई डाउट है? Suppose we have to conduct experiment in LSD with 5 treatments. 5 treatments. Then how many number of replications can be used? कितने replication use करने पड़ेंगे? We have just now we have seen that number of treatment and number of replications should be equal. So अगर if we are using 5 treatment, then we have to use 5 replications. If you are using 6 treatment, then you have to use 6 replications. If you are using 7 treatment, then you have to use 7 replications. Understood? Now let us see the randomization. Suppose we are having 5 treatments. A, B, C, D, and E. We are having 5 treatments. Then, in this case, we have to use one reduced Latin square. Fisher and Yates have given the table of reduced Latin square. They are given different tables for reduced Latin square according to the number of treatments. For 5 treatments, suppose reduced Latin square is given like that. For 5 treatments, we have to make 5 columns and 5 rows. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This is the Latin square of 5 by 5. 5 rows, 5 columns. Okay. In Latin square design, each treatment occur only once in each row and each column. We have seen that in CRD design, we have prepared like this. So treatment E is repeating in rows also, in column also. In RBD design, we have seen that treatments are repeating in either in row or in column, either in row or in column, या तो रो में या तो कॉलम में, बराबर. This is the layout of CRD, this is the layout of RBD design. But in LSD design, treatment will never repeat either in row or in column. कोई भी रो और कॉलम में ट्रीटमेंट, कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट रिपीट नहीं होगी, बराबर. Each treatment will occur only once in each row and each column. Now, suppose this is the, we are giving it name C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. First column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. Similarly to the rows R1, R2, R3, R4, and R4. Okay. This is the selected reduced Latin square which is given by Fisher and Yates. Barabar. Now, first we have to randomize the रोज. हमें क्या करना है, रोज को रैंडमाइज करना है, बराबर. सीक्वेंस में R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, उसको हमें रैंडमाइज करना है, बराबर. Suppose the randomization procedure is like 3, 2, 1, 5, and 4. That means C1, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. We are not randomizing the columns. We are randomizing the rows. So column will remain as is, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Now, first is the row 3, R3, then R2, then R1, then R5, and then R4. Okay. So write down what is R3, C, D, E, A, B. So C, D, E, A, and B. Now second row, B, C, D, E, A. Okay. B, C, D, E, and A. Now first row, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, and E. Fifth row, E, A, B, C, D. E, A, B, C, D. And fourth row, D, E, A, B, C. D, E, A, B, and C. This is the randomization of rows. Now we have to randomize the columns. Next step is randomize the columns. Okay. And suppose randomization is 3, 1, 2, 4, and 5. So again, prepare the table of 5 by 5. We have already randomized the row. So sequence will be R3, R2, R1, R5, R4, R2, R1, R5, and R4. Now we have to randomize the columns 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So it is C3, C1, C2, C4, and C5. So write down the third column, C3. C3 is E, D, C, B, A. E, D, C, B, and A. Now first column, C1. C, B, A, E, D. C, B, A, E, and D. Now C2. D, C, B, A, E. Okay. D, C, B, A, and E. C4. A, E, D, C, B. A, E, D, C, B. Okay, A, E, D, C, B. Then C5, B, A, E, D, C. B, A, E, D, C. Okay, is there any problem? किसी को दिक्कत है इसमें? किसी को समझ में नहीं आया तो अभी पूछ लो जल्दी. कोई दिक्कत है? Okay. So there is no problem. Then next step is C3, C1, C2, C4, C5. Now now next step is now first we have randomized the rows, then second we have randomized the columns. Now third step is randomize the treatment letters. Okay, treatment letters A, B, C, D, and E. Suppose this is the first treatment, second, third, fourth, and fifth treatment. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth treatment. Now we have to randomize the treatments. Suppose the randomization is like that: 2, 5, 1, 4, and 3. Okay. So second treatment is B, D, A, sorry, B, E, A, D, and C. Okay. Second treatment is B. Fifth treatment is E. First treatment is A. Fourth treatment is D. Third treatment is C. Now, in randomization of treatment, now we have to replace the A treatment with B. A treatment with B. So, this A treatment, R3, C4, we have to replace it with B. B. Here it is B. Here it is B and B and B. Now, treatment B we have to replace with E. Treatment B we have to replace with E. So here it is E. E. Now treatment C is to be replaced with treatment A. Treatment C को क्या करना है? A से replace करना है. तो find out treatment C here. A. A. Treatment D will remain as it is. Treatment D will remain as it is. D. 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 D, and we have to replace treatment E with treatment C. So this is the layout and randomization procedure for the Latin square design. What is the first step? First, select the reduced Latin square. If you are having 5 treatment, then you have to select the Latin square of dimension 5 by 5. If you are having 6 treatment, then you have to select the Latin square of size 6 by 6. We are using treatment 5, so we have selected 5 by 5 Latin square, which is given by Fisher and Yates. Then in that Latin square, we have to randomize, we have to apply the randomization process. जो Latin square हमने select किया है, Fisher and Yates ने जो दिया है उसको, उसमें हमें अभी randomization करना है. So first step of randomization is randomize the row को randomize करना है. So we have randomized the rows that R3, R2, R1, R5, R4. Okay. After the randomization of rows, we have to randomize the columns. So we have randomized the column like C3, C1, C2, C4, C5. Okay. After randomization of rows and column, we have to go for the randomization of treatments. So we have randomized the treatment like A, B, C, D, E is the original sequence. Then we have randomized the treatment like B, E, A, B, C, and we have to put it in the table. This completes the randomization of LSD. Now you can use this layout in the field. Okay. Is there any problem? किसी को डाउट है? किसी को डाउट नहीं? सब लोग समझ गए रैंडमाइजेशन? मिलन, चंद्राला मिलन,
जी सर।
सब?
हाँ।
कोई भी डाउट नहीं है?
नहीं।
ओके। धार्मिक?
यस सर।
नो डाउट?
नो सर।
हाँ?
नहीं है डाउट।
इतना क्यों स्लो बोल रहा है? तो भाई इसमें आरबीडी में हम सिर्फ रेप्लिकेशंस करते हैं, एक परपेंडिकुलर रेप्लिकेशन ही करते हैं, बराबर? धार्मिक, तेरे लिए क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ सर।
In RBD, we are preparing replications perpendicular to the fertility gradient, बराबर?
यस।
हाँ. तो भाई ये LSD में दो रोज और कॉलम क्यों करते हैं? रेप्लिकेशन ही क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं?
क्योंकि LSD में जो रेप्लिकेशन होती है वो रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसलिए।
गलत. जिगर, पटेल जिगर. पटेल जिगर, क्वेश्चन समझ गया तू?
सर
तू आवाज बंद कर.
इक्वल होते.
दीप, दोनों अनम्यूट हो जाओ, दोनों म्यूट हो जाओ. चलो.
हाँ सर.
क्वेश्चन समझ गया तो मेरा?
हाँ.
कि आरबीडी में हम रेप्लिकेशन करते हैं, ओनली रेप्लिकेशन परपेंडिकुलर टू द फर्टिलिटी ग्रेडियंट. तो एलएसडी में हम रोज और कॉलम में क्यों डिवाइड करते हैं?
सर क्योंकि इसमें जो वेरिएशन होगा वो दोनों साइड में होगा, इसलिए.
दोनों साइड में वेरिएशन होता है. वेरिएशन इज इन टू डायरेक्शन. या हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन, हॉरिजॉन्टल वेरिएशन के लिए कॉलम विल एक्ट एज अ रेप्लिकेशन, बराबर? हॉरिजॉन्टल वेरिएशन के लिए कॉलम जो है वो रेप्लिकेशन की तरह एक्ट करेंगे, और जो वर्टिकल वेरिएशन है उसके लिए ये रोज जो है वो एज अ रेप्लिकेशन एक्ट करेंगे, समझ गए। आरबीडी में क्या होता है, एक ही डायरेक्शन में वेरिएशन होता है, इसलिए सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में ब्लॉकिंग करते हैं हम, बराबर। इन आरबीडी ब्लॉकिंग कैसे बनाते हैं, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, वी आर डूइंग ब्लॉकिंग, ब्लॉकिंग इज डन परपेंडिकुलर टू द ग्रेडियंट। ये ग्रेडियंट है, बराबर, इफ दिस इज द ग्रेडियंट then we are blocking in perpendicular direction. Blocking and replication है, blocks and replication is same, okay, we are blocking perpendicular, okay। LSD में क्या होता है, in LSD there is a two way gradient, दोनों डायरेक्शन में होता है, बराबर। so for this direction this is the blocking and for this direction this is the blocking, समझ गए। now statistical model of LSD। LSD में statistical model Yij is equal to mu plus tau I plus epsilon ij। ये मॉडल आपको याद है, दिस इज द मॉडल फॉर द CRD design, only two sources, treatment and error, okay। another model we have seen that mu plus Rj plus epsilon ij, this is the model for the RBD design। we have added replication क्योंकि हमने क्या किया है इसमें, we have done perpendicular blocking, so this will another source of variation we have added Rj, okay। in LSD what we are adding, in addition to column we are adding rows, okay। so it is Yij k is equal to mu plus Ri plus Cj, कॉलम ऐड किए, प्लस Pk plus Eijk। this is the model for the LSD design। what is the model, LSD design, Yijk is equal to mu plus Ri plus Cj plus Tk plus Eijk epsilon ij। in this Yijk is the response of I denotes the row, J denotes the column and K denotes the treatment, okay। I denote the row, J denote the column and K denotes the treatment। so Yijk is the response of Kth treatment, okay, response of Kth treatment in ith row and jth column। क्या है, Yijk is the response of kth treatment in ith row and jth column, बराबर। mu is the mean, you know mu is the general mean। Ri is the effect of ith row, Ri is the effect of I row, Cj is the effect of jth column, Pk is the effect of kth treatment and epsilon ijk is the experimental error। epsilon ijk is the experimental error associated with kth treatment in ith row and jth column। समझ रहे हो, Yijk is response of kth treatment in ith row and jth column, okay। This is our randomization and layout. Okay. Suppose I am giving values here. Okay. These are the values. So Yijk is the response of kth treatment in ith row and jth column. This is the C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Okay. So this 40 is in second first row. Okay, 40 is in first row, second column and first treatment. So Y1, 2, 1, first row, second column, first treatment. Similarly, Y4, 5, 5 means I is 4 means fourth row. J is 5 means fifth column. And fifth treatment. So it is, sorry, this 51 is given as Y4, 5, 4. Fourth row, fifth column and fourth treatment. Likewise. Okay. Now, mu is the mean. You know, Ri is effect of ith row. Effect of ith row. You will get some total here. If you add these values, it is the effect of ith row. Cj is effect of jth column. If you add these values, you will get the total for the column. Okay. Then Tk is effect of kth treatment. क्या है effect of kth treatment? We have 5 treatments A, B, C, D, E. For finding out effect of second treatment B, we have to add all the values of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, we will get the effect of treatment B. And as we know, error is the epsilon ijk is the error. Okay. Now we have to go for the ANOVA. Yijk is equal to mu plus Ri plus Cj plus Tk plus epsilon ijk. this mu general mean is the constant value. Now, how many sources of variation are there? These 4 sources of variation. Out of these, Ri, Cj, and Tk, all these are controlled sources of variation, and E epsilon ijk is the uncontrolled source of variation. So, ANOVA. First column is source. First source is row. First source is row. Second source is column. Third source is treatment. Then error, and then total. Now, degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom. We know that in LSD design, treatment, rows, and columns all are equal. If we are having 5 treatments, then rows are also 5 and columns are also 5. Okay? If we are having 5 treatments, then rows also 5 and columns are also 5. So degrees of freedom for row is T minus 1, that is 4. For column also, column and treatment both are same, so it is also 4. For treatment, it is T minus 1, so it is also 4. Okay? For error, leave the error. For total, how many observations we are having? 25. That means 5 into 5. 5 rows, 5 columns. 5 into 5. So we can write it as a 5 square. It is nothing but T square. Okay? So total number of observations are T square minus 1, it is 24. And for error, degrees of freedom is given as T minus 1 into T minus 2. For error, degrees of freedom is given by T minus 1 into T minus 2. If you solve this, total minus rows minus columns minus treatment, then you will get this T minus 1, T square minus 1 minus T minus 1 minus T minus 1 minus T minus 1. If you solve this equation, you will get T minus 1 into T minus 2. This is the formula for error degree of freedom in LSD design. Okay? कोई doubt है? Is there any doubt? कोई problem है तो बोलो जल्दी. Drawback of this design is that it is not a flexible design. ये design flexible नहीं है, बराबर? अगर आपके पास 5 treatment है, तो replication भी 5 ही होनी चाहिए. Okay? And this design is used when number of treatments are 5 to 12. If less than 5 treatments or more than 12 treatments, this design is not feasible. Okay? What happens if we are using 4 treatments? Suppose there are 4 treatments. Then error degree of freedom, which is given by T minus 1 into T minus 2. So T minus 1 is become 3 and T minus 2 will become 2. So error degree of freedom will be 6. If we are using 4 treatment, then error degree of freedom will be 6, which is not feasible. You all know that error degree of freedom should be minimum 12. कितनी होनी चाहिए? Minimum 12. So 4 number of treatments cannot be used in LSD design. So minimum number of treatments are 5. With 5 treatments, it has become 4 and it has become 3, so it will become 12. For 5 treatments, we get 12 degrees of freedom for error. अगर हम 5 ट्रीटमेंट यूज करते हैं तो हमें एरर में 12 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम मिलती है, बराबर। सो वी कैनॉट यूज लेस देन 5 ट्रीटमेंट्स इन LSD design. Okay, we cannot use less than 5 treatments in LSD design because we will not get sufficient error degree of freedom. And why maximum 12 treatment? Because we know that as the for 5 treatment we are using 5 replications, so it will require 25 units. If 6 treatments are there, then we have to use 6 replications, so it will require 36 units. For 7 treatment, we have to use 7 replications, so units required will be 49. So as we go on increasing the number of treatment, experimental area is also increasing. जैसे हम number of treatment बढ़ाते हैं, ऐसे experimental area ज़्यादा increase होता है, बराबर। So suppose for 10 treatments, we are using 10 replications, and units required will be 100. If we increase one treatment, then experimental area will increase by 21 units. 10 से 11 करेंगे तो 100 से 121 हो जाएगा, बराबर। अगर 12 ट्रीटमेंट यूज करते हैं तो replications will become 12 and area become 144 units. So again there is a increase of 23 units. So as we go on increasing the number of treatment, जैसे हम number of treatments increase करेंगे, experimental area will be increased. If experimental area increase, then it is very difficult to maintain the homogeneity. क्या होगा, एक्सपेरिमेंटल एरिया इंक्रीज होगा तो हमें होमोजेनिटी मेंटेन करने में दिक्कत होगी. सपोज दिस इज द वन एक्सपेरिमेंटल एरिया एंड suppose this is the one experimental area and this is the another experimental area. As compared to this experimental area, it is very difficult to maintain homogeneity in this experimental area because it is the large area. बराबर. Small crowd control करना easy है या large crowd control करना easy है? तो obviously small crowd. ठीक है. सेम केस यहाँ पे लागू पड़ती है कि जैसे ही एक्सपेरिमेंटल एरिया बढ़ेगा तो हमें उसमें होमोजेनिटी मेंटेन करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन यूज मैक्सिमम 12 ट्रीटमेंट्स इन दी LSD डिजाइन. इफ वी इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट बियॉन्ड 12, अगर 12 से ज्यादा ट्रीटमेंट हम यूज करते हैं तो उसके हिसाब से हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंटल एरिया भी वही प्रोपोर्शन में बढ़ेगा. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई this is the drawback of Latin square design, that it is not a flexible design and we can use minimum 5 and maximum up to 12 treatments. Okay, minimum 5, maximum up to the 12 treatments. Okay, कोई doubt है? Is there any doubt? कैलकुलेटर सबके पास है? जवाब दो हाँ या ना में. दीप कैलकुलेटर है सबके?
यस सर.
तेरे अकेले
यस सर.
नो नो
हाँ,
सर है.
नहीं है? तो अभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का कैसे करें? कल करना है कि आज ही?